Okay, friends. So we'll do a demo of a utility bill upload.
This is my login or Harun's login, sir?
Yours, your login.
Mine, yeah, because I saw my balance is same. Yeah, correct.
Joseph, yeah, okay. So
Yes.
what we will do is we need to log into the UPOS, the digital app, and we go to GG Store. GG Store, we select just above the filter, we have the bill upload option. Now, this is where we were trying to, I think yesterday, even Mr. Kannan and a couple of them were asking, the BESCOM bills we are not able to upload. So here you select the vendor who is with the privilege of UPOS utility. Just now we did Joseph's. Joseph, is this the one? Joseph?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. And then here we select, you see here utility. Yesterday it was not there. So today it is available. Do you have a bill with you?
Yeah, I've got, sir.
Send me through WhatsApp.
Also, okay, sir.
So now in this case, UPOS owner is also Joseph. And UPOS owner is also Joseph and bill is also Joseph. So we need to ideally see here, it will show your error. Now we need to select Joseph. Okay, so you can select Joseph himself. Okay, and let me also take a copy of the bill, and then you can do it. Have you sent that bill?
Okay, I'll send it right now, sir.
No
I
problem.
got, but it's a June bill, sir. Two bills of June.
No problem. Send it. Yeah.
Yeah, clinic 2 there.
So any question related to utility bill, you can ask now only. So you need to be in touch up with Joseph, Venkatesh, or few other leaders. Not everybody will have this option, UPOS bill upload. But your bill can be. In this place, it can be Harun, it could be, Ken, it could be, Kevin, anybody for the matter. Your bill, you are a user. Even you might be a UPOS owner, but you cannot select your own name unless and until we have an approval for you as a UPOS utility consultant. This we are giving approval only for few leaders, CPs or few who have got a team, we are giving it. And that goes with a special approval. Okay, that is what I showed a demo how it is. Yes, have you sent? So these are the things what you need to keep it ready. The bill of the bill what you have paid, the copy of the bill.
And, yeah,
okay.
Send it to you, sir, Lauren John.
Okay, so how many bills you have sent? I think 2-3 bills.
3 bills, and one is a bill and a receipt.
One moment.
That is the electricity bill when they were not functioning.
You can upload the bill copy or a bill paid receipts. Okay, both you can, or one of that you can. So I'm just downloading that from my system only. So these are the things what you need to keep it ready. In the sense, the moment before you put, you need to have a copy of the bill. Or if you're doing it in mobile, you can click it also directly. Okay. So one of the bill I'm taking. Okay, so I'm saving this as desktop Joseph EB bill 1. I'm just making it as. What is the value of the bill? You should know the exact value of the bill. 1147.
That time when they were not upgradation time, no, so I paid it outside. So otherwise it was always paid.
Okay, so now I got the bill copy. So I need to put 1147, which is the exact value. Now I'm choosing the bill what I have kept in. One sec. Where is it? Where did I save it? I remember putting it as Joseph. It's here. Okay, yeah. So I opened it, and then now I need to upload the bill. This is the step. Now, what will happen in the UPOS, this one, in terms of the vendor dashboard? I'm just showing it to you here. The moment it is uploaded, I refresh it. It will show one pending bill. Are you able to see, friends?
Yes.
Muthu and others also. Now for vendor bill upload, this is how it is. Just consider it is not a utility bill. It is one customer uploaded a bill. That is how it is. So now I go here. I as a vendor. In this case, Joseph is a customer and he is the UPOS owner. He is a vendor. But in most of the cases, it will vary. The moment Joseph as a customer gave a bill to a UPOS owner, uploaded, or user himself is uploading his bill, Joseph as a vendor in his dashboard, you will get to see this. This is without a GST. See, there is already a notification. You might see a message also telling one bill has been uploaded, 14447, today's date. Okay, so that is how the robo system has been done. Now, what Mr. Joseph need to do is, since it is his own bill, he is accepting. Let's say he is a shopkeeper. He is a fruit shop vendor. He is a merchant. He is into, real estate. So he will open the bill and see if this is his own bill. Are we able to understand? ಈಗ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ತರಕಾರಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಒಂದು ಓನರ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಅವರು ಒಂದು 1,000 ಆಗಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಬಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪೇ ಕಮಿಷನ್. ನೋ, ಸೊ ಐ ಸಿ ದ ಬಿಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಸಿ ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೈ ಬಿಲ್, ದೆನ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್. I as a owner of a shop, I as a vendor, I'll see yes, this is my bill and I'm accepting it. Are you sure? Yes. If you are rejecting it, see, now the pending bills is gone. So what will happen? Global Governor will do a scrutiny tonight, 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock exactly. Tomorrow we will show that also. It will be available for him in the pending bills. As a vendor, it will show here. Right now it is blank. Make a note of this. It will be blank today now. Tomorrow, it will show that bill is approved from the vendor. Global Governor also authenticated. Vendor need to pay the commission. Now you know why there is a little delay in the commissions and other things. The process is 3 to 4 working days from the time vendor pays. So there is, okay, so this is the kind of a thing. Now I'll show you what happened to the user. I'm getting into Joseph's user app, who is again the, you see, all that is of Joseph. So it might be a little confusing, but you need to be a little careful. So the user, whoever is the user in utility bill, need to pay 34 rupees plus 18% GST and 34 to Joseph, who is a UPOS owner. Okay. So now I'm just coming in here. My orders, it might show here. Store bill, you see here. It is pending. Maybe I should have showed you a little earlier. It will be showing awaiting. Now, since Mr. Joseph has accepted the bill as a vendor, it shows pending. Tomorrow, once he makes the payment, it will show us approved. Okay, so it's a step-by-step process. So 4 things I'm explaining you. 1, as a user, electricity bill has been paid. I have gone to UPOS utility through the UPOS owner, uploaded the bill, gone to vendor, accepted the bill. Now the 4th step will be tonight, which means GG will approve it. That's the 4th step. Tomorrow, you will see that in vendor dashboard, it will show it as commission to be paid, 34 rupees plus 18% of it. You can view it. Okay. This is the process.
I have to do the payment, no, sir, commission payment.
Yes. So tomorrow in the
Tomorrow
demo,
we'll do
I will make the payment.
Sure, sir, sure, sir.
So anybody who is still not, are not able to pay a BESCOM bill or anything, you wanted to make use of, you can be in touch with Mr. Joseph. Whatever is the bill value, that 3% plus 18%, you can share it to his account. He will accept and he will do it. Are we clear with the UPOS utility bill? Any doubt in this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ravindranath avare artha aitalla?
Yes, sir. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕಳಿಸಬಹುದು ಸರ್ ಬೋರ್ನ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
ಈಗ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅಶೋಕ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಅಶೋಕ್
ಇದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ದು UPOS ಯುಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟೈಮ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದು ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ 2 to 3 days ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Joseph, you are fine, no? Joseph, you are fine, no?
I'm fine, sir, I'm fine.
Okay, so see how the calculation of the UPOS utility, I'll tell you here. I'll open an Excel so that ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ UPOS ಓನರ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಆದಾಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, it is only a utility bill. Now, for example, 1147 is the bill value considering. ಈಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 3% is the commission, 34 rupees ನೋಡಿ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ now ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 18%, because that's a GST what the vendor need to pay. So 40 rupees ನೀವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಬೇಕು, 41 rupees. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, he will accept and pay it as a commission ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ within 2 working days UPV ಆಗಿ GG coin ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. So the cycle is 4 days. Provided you send money to the UPOS utility owner, Joseph, he makes the payment 2 working days ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3rd working day ನಿಮಗೆ UPV ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. Are we clear? Muthu and others, you can unmute and then talk. Is there anything, any clarification? This is a normal vendor. For example, Muthu is trying to onboard a doctor or a pharma, medical shop. All this is how the process would be. Now, few of them will do, no, every day nan pay madada kashta agutte nanige. You can keep it every week, every alternate day.
Once a week, yeah.
Before closing the shop, every day books of accounts is being closed, so I can approve it. So adike we always tell it will take 7 to 10 working days. And the very important criteria is vendor a bill na accept maadi, next day he has to pay the commission. Are we clear with it? Iga bekandre nan innondu bill kuda upload ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
I've got 2 more bills you can do that, sir.
Yes, few
But
have
not,
just joined now.
not utility. Utility I'll give tomorrow. But general bill I've got, so there's lens, Drishti High Care. I've got
Huh?
2 bills. Vendor.
What is this? This is a paid bill or what is it?
This is a paid bill. So electricity bill is a paid bill. And
No,
these
no,
two
one-
also
one-
are paid.
One sec, listen. That value is 1147. This is a 1200. This is a different bill.
It's the same bill. So we paid rounded up to 1,000. 1147 she will round it up to. That's the
Okay.
receipt for the same bill.
Now, what about the other 2 bills? That how can you upload it here? Utility you can't.
That
no?
utility can't do it, sir. You have to do separate vendor. This is that Drishti Eye Care which I have not done.
Okay, the medical you wanted to do. All right. So now we are moving on with the first step of onboarding a vendor, how it can be. Are you ready with the documents, Muthu?
Sir, no, sir. It will take another 2 days, it seems.
Okay,
I yet to receive GST.
okay.
Yesterday it was about to receive, but it was delayed. Today I might receive that GST. So for tomorrow I'll get in touch.
So any other questions, clarification in what we did when the utility bills?
Right now we are clear, sir. No issues.
Okay,
So,
because
we
otherwise,
can
no, I
just
just
send it to
wanted to-
Joseph, sir, and
Yes, Joseph, you can have it and then, you will be able to accept and then, start doing it. Okay. So that is
ಗುಡ್
what
ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್
I-
ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್.
ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅವರೇ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸರ್
ಹೇಳಿ
ಇದು
ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್
ಮಿಂತ್ರಾ ಬಿಲ್
ಹ್ಮ್
ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅದು
ಮಿಂತ್ರ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್
ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಎಸ್ ಅದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್.
ನಾವೊಂದು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅದು ವಿತಿನ್ ಸಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು.
ಹಾ
So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ, ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ UPVs ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್.
ಎಸ್ ಇದು ಬಂದು ನೀವು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅಮೆಜಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ 1mg ಬಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇದ್ರೇನು ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಆನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, So, now-
ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇ ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಮೆಜಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್
ಹೆಂಗೆ
1mg.
ಅಮೆಜಾನ್ 1mg ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಮೆಜಾನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. There are a
Okay.
couple of good news what I will share.
Okay.
In progress with one moment. Okay. So before I go with the vendor management, of course, a couple of things like one is Sugar Knocker, which is a premium vendor. Okay, it has been now successfully done. So if at all there is any kind of Muthu will start sharing the promos from tomorrow. This is a medicine which is fully cure and replacement for any of the diabetic. Like India is with at certain age, most of them are down with diabetic. So this not only controls, it cures. So somebody who is already affected taking medicine, penicillin or whatever it is, what is that called? Yeah, what is that called? What do they take this one?
insulin, sir.
Insulin, sorry. Insulin or whatever it is. Okay, so the medicine, I thought, something I know it's insulin, I told penicillin. Okay, insulin, like even if they are in that grave stage or, something they have been continuing, this tablet will help them reduce. That is what is the proof, and lot of live testimonials starting from Dr. B.M. Hegde to hundreds and thousands of testimonials are there. So friends, and he's a premium vendor. The reason why I am promoting in Lorwin Group, next I'll be doing it in Karnataka Group, and Pan India we will do a promotion. One, he's a premium vendor. What is the advantage of a premium vendor? You and me as a UPOS owner get 10% commission. Second, he is also part of our team. Mr. Girish, he is also shortly an ACP, leadership team. Third, it is health related, helping common public, and it will take care of our own family members. Diabetic is a very, very common thing, which is, most of the families are affected. Okay. So mother, father, elders, neighbors in your community, gated community, start promoting. So other ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಏನ್ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮುತ್ತು ಅವರು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, so this is what it is. So now I'll also show you where do you get that. It has been a best shopping website. Our specific counters ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ. See, there are no physical counters as of now. Future ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Right now we are getting into Global Garner app. ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Best shopping, of course, when it is here, it is also there available in our this one also. So I put sugar. The brand is Sugar Knocker. Okay, see, it's already there. Sugar and takshana Sugar Knocker bantu. Okay, so there are few prerequisites, the normal general terms and conditions. Accept madtini. There are certain offers they are running currently. Buy one get one free, or whatever it is. You buy two get this one. So I think most of the time my pop-up is blocked. One moment.
You have to accept it once again, sir. That's the only thing.
Where is the pop-up? I did not get one notification.
Sir, go down and accept it. Once
ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್
again.
ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Yes. That's what I told Muthu. Muthu is little slow. I've been telling Muthu there is a huge order waiting. You promote ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಂದ. So this is their website.
ಅದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
now this is what is the thing. Now I go. ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ that's what I told. Some offer I saw yesterday. 2+1. ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 90 ಡೇಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು 3 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಅದು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 217 ಇದು fully organic done, manufactured here, like that lot of things are there. You can get the information. One product ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುತ್ತು ಅವರೇ. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll
What
do
is the
it. I'll do it.
ingredient? See here, you get lot like this amla, you have, cumin, you have garlic, you have different flavors, you have, so like that. It's a wonderful product. Of course, I have not experienced it, but the testimony and the videos, when I met Mr. Girish, I've seen quite a few presentations of them. See, Dr. Hegde's thing is there. I told he is a man who does not endorse any product. One second.
Seems to be the raging business arena these days. While there are about 6.5 billion people in this world, there are millions of people who are ill every day. So everyone is trying to get into this area to make some money by hook or crook. In this, we have to seriously think of the human welfare in the long run. With every single reductionist chemical molecule that we put into the human being, eventually will have some side effects. There is no drug which has no side effects. I always keep telling my students, there is every pill, there is an ill following, while there is no pill for every ill. So our future is health promotion, how to keep the well healthy. This is the essence of the ancient Indian wisdom of Ayurveda, which today is known to be the mother of all medical wisdoms. I'm very happy that a new company, which is very authentic, run by scientific people, and the good manufacturing practices, which is called the Shushruta Ayurvedic Company. They have an online website which you can all look at, which is called knockdiabetes.com. And they have come up with a product which is called Sugar Knocker. Very interestingly, this is a purely a herbal product, a combination of good herbs which are known in Ayurveda to be of very good use in human welfare. It's a combination of the most important things which we use for various other things. And the salient feature of that is the all-powerful turmeric. Curcumin, the extract of turmeric, is supposed to be a very powerful drug. They are using it only to help people get the
So that is what, I am stopping that. You guys can go have a look. Okay, so these are the testimonials and other things which are available. And what we can do it is, ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
Yes,
ಸರ್.
sir. Yes, sir.
Introducing sugar knocker. Somebody is talking. Mute your mics, please. Introducing sugar knocker or premium Okay, so on the note, illandre nan martogutte. Okay, so I just put it along with testimony of the screen of Dr. thing, so that it gets in. So now you need to take on from here, Muthu. Okay, so you need to start sharing those promos, price, offers, whatever is prevailing.
Yes,
No,
sir.
ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಏನಪ್ಪ vendor management. What I am doing is a vendor management. Are we able to understand? This is how we need to take care of each and every one of the vendor, whether premium or a normal. Premium vendor ke ಒಂದು edge, extra edge we do it because we all of us UPOS owners earn more. So simply ನಾನು ಮುತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಓಕೆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಓಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ it is of no use. He will be yet another premium vendor or vendor there. That's all lying. My actual work as an introducer actually starts now. Whatever we did now, that is what you need to do it in your circle, in your groups, it could be our own Lorwin group, your own communities, your own groups, and making sure, for me, the introduction of a vendor, you need to give him 10 orders. Illa andre ಒಂದು 10,000 business. That is where according to me, a definition of an activation of a vendor. ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, ತರಕಾರಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, whatever it is, a minimum 10 transactions if it is a value higher. Volume grocery andre 10,000 at least business ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ vendor activated in my terminology. Are we able to understand? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಗನ್ನರ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ವೆಂಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಇದು ಹಾಳು ಮೂಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು no business. What is the point? He will become a bad testimony for you. ಅರೆ 2 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾನು ವೆಂಡರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. That is not the intention of Mr. Vikas or we. When you onboard a vendor, don't do somewhere in alien or moon or different planets. Nimma mane pakkadalli iroru. So every day you walk, you see him, you wave hand, you introduce to your neighborhood, or like this product which is available online, which is a common product. Okay, so that is what I mean vendor management. It is not, I'm not talking about vendor onboarding process. Onboarding process last week ನಾನು cover ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು how a vendor need to approve a bill, how you introduce or promote the vendor in your circle and network. You're not paying anything. Already a vendor hatra new promotion you tagoli, what I told Muthu, you put it into your groups, you share it among. Okay, and any of your customer, they will ask, Venkatesh avare henge tagolodu? Then you tell, yes, there is a simple app, download ಮಾಡಿ. You add him a customer, add him to your UPOS, ಅವ್ರು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ 10% ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Any doubt, any confusion with it? ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
No, sir. ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
But
I think
ಯಾಕೆ
it is
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? But ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? Okay, so we need to start doing. Yesterday also I was talking about UPOS earning. There are people earned in lakhs. At the same time, there are people done 300 transaction earned only 10,000, 5,000, 2,000. It is your choice. Why I'm repeating? User, UPOS, vendor, it's a three-party relationship. Of course, the partner also. So it is all interconnected. More vendors, more premium vendors, our productivity is increasing. So I will talk about today a vendor management okay, thing, which most of the time I cover it up in my target 51. Whenever I do a target 51, I do these slides. Okay, literally, now I'll just explain you what is what. Okay, 10 minutes I'll run through. So most of the time we think, of course, all of us know it's a 4-pillar partnership. Any of the business that we do in GG, it is not one independent. Adike, I give an example of a car. Now an engine, no, I'll be very, very important. No, without an accelerator brake, without an oil, this one, a car cannot function. Or the tire should not think that it's stretching on the road degrading. No, without the wheel and tire, the car cannot move also. So every component is important. Okay, pratyondu bhaganu important. That's what we keep telling. Likewise, it's a 4-pillar partnership. On the building and new tagondre, all the 4 need to be strong and of the equal thing. Illa, not only I'll focus on digital mall sale. Very good. Till what time? Go to the roof ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 4 pillar ready ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Once you want, no, somebody need to mute the mic, please. Somehow I hate people, doing something else or disturbing somehow. I don't know whether you like it or not. I get little irritated. Okay, so Kishore avaridare, Joseph avaridare, you need to please monitor that. Okay, because whatever I speak from bottom of the heart. So ನನಗೆ ಈ ತರ disturbance ಆದ್ರೆ, it is not only me, anybody talks. Please make sure there is no disturbance background. Okay, so 4-pillar partnership is what we were talking about. Okay, now vendor is a source of income. From where do we get the UPOS commission? Where do I get an UPV commission? Where do I get a income in terms of a cashback? It is all from vendor. So that is why I talk about vendor is a source of income. Hangandre UPOS ilva, UPOS is there, it is correlated. Okay, but if a UPOS need to earn, from where does he get commission? From a vendor. So you need to take care of a vendor with the utmost care. That is why I took a topic today, vendor management. Sumne namka vasa, just onboarding a vendor, that is only step 1. I'll explain it. What is vendor management? Registration, prospecting, onboarding. Aita, nan kelsa agoitappa. I've done my work. I got the documents somehow. No, that is not even step 1 of my vendor management. Idu bandbuttu 0, step 0. Step 1 is training him, activation, product upload. What I did for Joseph now, what I am asking Muthu to do now. At least this stage it has been done in Muthu's case. So avarige training kodabeku, a product either activation agidiya nodabeku, product upload agidiya nodabeku. In this case, it's a best shopping website. So I need to make sure that affiliate and the links and everything ready. This is the step 1. Just registering him, sending one mail, he sends an approved. That is not at all a step for me in vendor management. Second, you need to give him sales. That is what I told before few minutes. If a vendor onboard madidira Muthudu, we need to ensure, let's say today it is live. Before end of Diwali, there should be at least 10 to 20 orders for him. A minimum of 10,000 transaction. Adu obne nan madakagala as a team. End of the day, family, friends, colleagues, namma team, partners, namma leaders, yare idu. If I feel I can't do it, this is a product that I can't do it, involve your state head. If we feel as a state it is not sufficient, this is a wonderful product, involve Mr. Vikas through the proper channel. Whatever it takes, underline the word, yenadru agli, whatever it takes. I need to make sure the vendor whom I onboarded is happy with the service. Why he will be happy? He has to get sales support, new customer retention. That is what the step 2 in vendor management according to me. The third one, business expansion. Onboard madidira, business kottidira, avradu ಒಂದು business nadita ide. Whatever, let's say Muthu is doing about 25 lakhs business in a month. We are increased a little. It should not stop there. I have already spoken to Mr. Girish. Muthu will acknowledge. We are talking about a business expansion already. How you can do an upselling, how you can do a cross-selling, how they can utilize his office, how they can utilize his existing customers of 2,000, 3,000, 30,000. Not only that, ಈಗ ಅವರು ಧಾರವಾಡ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. I'm giving an example. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ, how do we take it to Karnataka? From Karnataka, how we take it to other states of India? How we take it to pan India? See, revenue, profit, upselling, cross-selling, business expansion. ಈಗ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. I am giving him the proposal. Why don't you give a franchisee model? Go to stores. We will identify some medical shops. We will identify UPOS stores. We will identify certain places where all this can be done. Go into a franchisee model. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪಿನ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರಾಂಚೈಸಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಡೋದು ಅವ್ರ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಬಟ್ as a leader, as a partner, it is our duty to make sure they are able to get it. No, they are able to also expand. So this is the third step according to me. Mattume, he has to be a partner with Global Ghana. In this case, if they are already a partner with Global Ghana, you onboarded him as a vendor, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ರಿ, ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ, ಕಸ್ಟಮರು ಕೊಟ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು 10,000, 1 ಲಕ್ಷ, 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಂತು, ಅವ್ರ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ನೀವು ಆದಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ರಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್? ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು ಯು ಪಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್? ಅ ವೆಂಡರ್, ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಸಿ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಓನ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಶೋ ಹಿಮ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು, once you do this, automatically Muthu will come and ask, John sir, John, how do I become? What do I do? I need to do it. I want to buy a UPOS. In this case, they bought a UPOS, they are a shareholder. But a new person, just imagine, if I help Muthu, who's a new vendor, Muthu, you can frankly tell me, I helped you onboarding, I give you 20, 30 customers, I given you a lot of suggestions on the business expansion. Don't you feel you will become a partner or you will buy a UPOS?
Definitely, sir. It's obvious to grow the business, to
Yes,
upsell the
because-
business. We have to take those decisions.
And I will tell one point also there. Sir, you have got 3,000 customers. We can do an upselling, cross-selling. If you want to get a revenue of your customers buying, traveling, trading, Reliance and all that, why don't you buy a UPOS? You will get 2 to 30%. You will obviously buy, you're already a business person. 54,000 is not a big deal. And you already have the trust in GG. You got customer, repeated customers are coming in. You would have experienced how the cashback works. This is the way. This is one of the approach, how you can increase your sales, how you can. Now, Muthu, since he has understood all this, he will become your, let's say, he will become one of the strongest partner of Mr. Girish, who's an ACP. If you are a CP, he will become a real pillar. He will become an active ACP under you. Artha aita? So it depends on how you handle and do. That is what vendor management, according to me. So what do we tell our vendors? Our business is to grow your business. That is what is the tagline of Global Ghana with vendors. Okay. Our work is to grow your business. Our business is to grow your business. We only mean, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ದಾಖಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. We don't mean, we never implement, execute it. Please understand, as a leader, whenever we onboard a vendor, we directly, indirectly promise or commit them, we will grow your business and we will be an integral part. These are not my words. How many of you have gone through vendor dashboard or MCP manual? You go to the page 5. Somebody could read this out for me, please. Loud. Somebody could read this out for me.
Yeah. Global Ghana helps the vendor to sell their products and services with its advanced digital platform
One
and
moment. So what
on-ground
we are telling,
sales
one moment.
support.
Pause. One we are telling, we'll give them an advanced digital platform, which the software, best shopping website and everything. Perfect. That is Global Ghana doing. What else next? Yes, continue, Joseph.
Support with customized sales solution for each vendor.
On ground sales support. That's why I've underlined these words. On ground sales support. ಇದನ್ನ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಗಾನರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆನ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ACP ಇರಬಹುದು, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, MCP ಇರಬಹುದು. ವೆಂಡರ್ ಗೆ ಆನ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ adding customers, and we need to do this. This is the commitment what we are giving to vendor, whether you like it or not. Namma business outline itself is this. Any vendor, you have got a product and service, I'll give you a digital platform, online and offline. Online, no, already digital software technology is taking care. Through our UPOS, through our references and contacts, we need to increase sales for them. That is what is the commitment we are doing. Next, vendor benefits ಏನೇನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. Sales team nationwide with zero upfront cost. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, increase customer base, thereby expansion their business. Increase in revenue through online on-ground sales support and UPOS partners. Full training support from our local representatives. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದಾನೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು. Our work is not just onboarding a vendor. We need to give a complete support. Okay. What else? It continues. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ. This has been prepared before 6 years. Imagine, not today. ಇವತ್ತು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. 6 years before Mr. Vikas has put this in the manual. That is why we like so much. The more and more we understand, the more and more we understand GG business, especially I become more passionate about. Ekandre very clear roadmap. Okay. Till date, let's take an example. One vegetable vendor or a clothing shop or a vendor you are onboarding. Till date, the vendor was doing a business of 2 to 3 lakhs. 1,000 customers. They buy 5,000 each, approximately in a month. Turnover would be eshtayitu 50 lakhs ayitu. Total margin is 10%. And in that 10%, he is sharing only 5%. Still, he earns 2.5 lakhs additional. Now, since you have done more business, you will be, see, this is how it is. He thought of all this so early and put in all the manual documents. It's all there in your MCP manual. So these are the challenges. I think most of the vendors, you are all aware. As a vendor, see the kind of challenges they pass through. Investment, 1 crore investment, bandavala nanu hakidre kuda I need to have an office, infrastructure. A lot of business people are here. A lot of salaried people are there. Money ide, infrastructure ide, doddu inventory you need to have. Operational cost. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿದೆ, ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಐಟಮ್ಗಳು ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Every month I need to pay the staff, pay the electricity bill, Wi-Fi, whatever it is, whatever the business into, operational cost. Competition. I've got a grocery or a family mart. Neighborhood, there is another provision, or a supermarket is there, hypermarket is there, online. Now, I have a product and service. If I don't market, I will not get business. Vasa customer, it's always a thing. Now, ಎರಡನೇ headache, I get a new customer, retaining is another bigger headache. Regulation, rules, BBMP, what not. Real estate andre RERA, insurance means IRDA, RBI, what not. So many rules and regulations. Idu ellanu madidre kuda COVID taught us what it is. Uncertainty, strike, band, cyclone, rain. Somebody wants to talk something? Shrikant, mute your mic please. So these are all the vendor, what they are facing on a day-to-day basis, small to big or any big companies. Few terms will vary. Okay. Now, what we are talking about, this is the evolution of a mankind. All of us know about it. Iga yen agide andre, we have been moved to e-commerce. See, this is the level. In fact, today I was, I think 16th is the spinal cord day, no? World Spinal Cord Day. I was going through an article. Same image was there. So the spinal cord is talking to human beings. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ವಾಪಸ್ ನೀವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, so whenever you are sitting or whatever you are doing, don't sit with that bend. This one, you please sit here, write something. Anyway, I just recollected it. So this is the history and evolution of e-commerce today. Without this, no business is moving. Even one kirana shop, one grocery shop, sir, okay, order kodi, I'll come and deliver. That is a trend today. So it's an evolution. This is an evolution of e-commerce, what we are talking about. We tell our vendors, boss, you need not invest on website. You don't need to develop a mobile app. We are there. See the e-commerce, what it is going to grow, 84% in next 4 years. COVID, of course, there is a reference to it. And what is the next one? You need to upgrade to have more sales. Digitalization ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, innovation, ಹೊಸ ideas. You need to market your product. Customers, as a vendor, investment. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you need to have a huge investment. Let's say you want to do a marketing, coding, flyer, flexes. You need to take care of customer care, maybe a help desk, or if you're a kirana shop also, you need to make sure you give some additional services. Okay. Now, what does the vendor? This all of you know. Okay, this is actually a presentation what I do as a vendor management. So, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು Global Gunner takes care without an investment. We take care of your customer, we do marketing, we give you innovative ideas, what I just explained to Muthu, digitalization ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So, it all comes in with zero upfront. This is one of our grocery shop, Home Tech Enterprises. There is some health issues, is not operational. So if there was a shop, if Muthu had an option of online or an offline, a shop or a distributor like a pharma, people can go there as well as this. The moment most of the people think, oh, e-commerce platform antira Global Gunner, is it only digital? No. We do both. Your shop is there, we will increase more customer walk-ins to you. Somebody who cannot reach out to your shop physically, they will order online. That is the beauty of Global Gunner. We give a combination of both traditional and digital platform. And this is how we need to be promoting in terms of grocery, we are talking about neighborhood, fruits, ready-mades, pharmacy, restaurant, and these are the things. Let's say you identify 100 families. This is also part of under management. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಜಾನ್ ಏನ ತಲೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ, ನಾನು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, 100 families in your apartment, in your neighborhood. Each family will have 4 to 5 members. They buy grocery. Where you buy, you onboarded him as a vendor. You tell him, boss, I'll give you 10 customers, 20 customers, 100 customers. When they come and buy, will you pay the commission? Not to me, to my company. He will say, obviously, yes. Like Muthu, that's what is agreed. 16% they are paying. Now grocery, 5,000 from a family in a month. 5 lakhs business turnover ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Vegetable person, 2,000. Definitely we spend more than that. 2 lakhs. This is a turnover for the vendor. Clothing, once in a while. See, in a year, there are so many festivals. Each time Habba festival, no, it's a festival time. Dashara, Diwali, Christmas, New Year, Shankaranti, it continues. If you or birthdays, anniversaries, so many things. And medicine, even if I take this is I've taken, see, 50 families only. Not everybody will buy every month. Alternate month. Okay. Now medicine, 2,500, and this is very much possible in a month. Every time you go to a medical shop, definitely you will experience 1,500 to 2,000 you spend every bill. ಈಗ ನಾನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ವೈಫ್, ಫಾದರ್ ಮದರ್ ಆರ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್, 2,500 per month, and that medical shop is onboarded by you as a vendor. Imagine. Restaurant, ಊಟ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Now, in fact, people were telling COVID, we are not going. You go to any hotel now, it's overcrowded. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಿದ್ದು they are all, become so much this one, they want to free themselves, come out. Weekend andre husband, wife, kids, car ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರೋದು, they sit and have food outside. That is what it is increasing. In fact, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು 100 families ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, 50 families one month ಗೆ. Next month they take once 2 lakh. Chat, juice, ಸುಮಾರಿದೆ. ಜಿಮ್, ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ಬರೀ ಕೇವಲ 6 ವೆಂಡರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರ್ನ ಆನ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. And you as a vendor, let's say I am a grocery shop owner, I can talk to my neighbor. Pakkat shop vegetable angadi irbodu. Opposite shop can be clothing. They know me. I can also onboard. Here no involvement of UPOS. Imagine you as a user matra ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀರಾ, you as a vendor ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. 15 ಲಕ್ಷ ಟರ್ನ್ ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖಾಂತರ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಆನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಜಿಮ್, ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಪಾರ್ಲರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಪಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೂಟಬಲ್, ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಯೋರ್ ಇದು, ಓಕೆ. ನೌ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ 15 lakhs ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ತಾನೆ, 15 ಲಕ್ಷ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನೀವೇ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, 10% ಕಮಿಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 3,000 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 30,000 ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 3,000. ವೆಂಡರ್ ರೆಫರಲ್, you have onboarded all these vendors through your referral ID only. So 2.75 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. You are not an ACP here, you are only a normal user. ಬಂತು 5,000 ಬಂತು. You are just onboarded 5 ತರಕಾರಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇದ್ದು. You can take online orders. ಈಗ for example, grocery-ಗೆ, medicine-ಗೆ, fruit, vegetables, all this, they are taking, you can have one guy, tie up with one guy, or 5 ಜನನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿ, wherever there is an online order coming in, I will be able to deliver it. Or Shiprocket is there. So you can also become a delivery partner of GG. ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮನೆಯಿಂದ 1 kilometer radius. You are not going to 100 kilometer traveling. No, you are staying in Wilson Garden in and around 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer radius. So you can talk to one of this guy. Let's say one of this guy is telling chat and juice business ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, or restaurant guy ಮುಂದಿನ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲ, business dull ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹೌದಾ, you have got a boy, put one 2-wheeler, I will also give delivery of grocery, vegetable along with your food. You make him a delivery partner. ನೀವೇ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆದಾಯ, ಒಂದು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. So all this they charge, customer pays 50 rupees, 30 rupees, 100 rupees within whatever the kilometer. These are all the out of box thinking, what I'm talking about. So one of your vendor or you yourself can become a delivery partner also. ಈಗ ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಬೇಕರಿ ಇದೆ, ಅವರು ಅಂಗಡಿ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 10 ಅಂಗಡಿಗಳಿದೆ, ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ he can appoint one boy, take a mobile group ಒಂದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ GG app group, ನೀವೇ ಡೆಲಿವರಿನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. One is your product is moving, you are helping your neighborhood, your community. You also can decide to become a delivery partner. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನೋ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನೋ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗ ಒಂದು 2-wheeler ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಗ್ರಾಸರಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವ್ರು ಹೋಗಿ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಕೊಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ನೀವು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಬಾಟ್ ಅ UPOS, ಐ ಜಾಯಿನ್, ಜಾನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಾನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ನೌ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು UPOS earning, average 1% ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ all the business will happen through you only 15,000. So 18 agents ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಇದೇ ತರ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರೋದಂಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. UPOS agent, see the way you can earn. Okay, so you can also get the user up down, educate the customers. The vendor can become a partner or an ACP. They can also become a digital mall owner, a vendor coming into. This is what I wanted to touch base on the vendor management. We take care. Our business is to grow your business. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಜಾನ್ ಅವರೇ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ? ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು 36 lakhs digitally empowered vendors ಮಾತ್ರ. ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ವೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ not even 5 or 1% is what we need. That's all premium vendors. Okay, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? Just dial ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 29.4 million listings, paid listings are there only in Just Dial. 3 ಕೋಟಿ nearly. What do we need? Only 36. 12-13% ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Just Dial ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವನ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಲೀಡ್ಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ Just Dial ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಐ ನೋ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ Just Dial, ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಬಂತು, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಫ್ರೀ, ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಮೆಝಾನ್, ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಫಿಲಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, 15%, 20%, 30% ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 15 to 20% they pay upfront. Today I am coming with a solution to you. When I give you a sale, you pay me the commission. So it's very, very easy. You need to think practically, take some support from leaders, and then you can do it. So that is all I had for the vendor management. Any questions, any doubts? Madboda, can we take it up a little more seriously and then do things? So good, I see some promo coming in from Muthu. Okay, sugar knocker. Okay, uncontrolled sugar levels. Okay, let me also just play that so that you guys would also. There is some text which has come in. Muthu's number. Please share Muthu number. Okay. Anything you find certain tips and feedbacks are useful? Can we work with our vendors? I'm just going into this one.
Uncontrolled sugar levels. Looking for something
Is the voice audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
natural way to regulate blood glucose? We have got an easy and simple solution for you. Based on the Ayurvedic wisdom of managing your Ahara, Vihara and Aushti, Sushruth Ayurved Industries offers you a natural way to regulate your sugar levels. Sugar Knocker, a herbal supplement for diabetes with the goodness of Ayurveda, made from most potent herbs which are prescribed in the books of Ayurveda. Sugar Knocker not only focuses on controlling sugar level, but also starts working on a root cause of diabetes. In short, it can give a permanent solution by removing problem from root, and not temporary by controlling sugar level. Herbal medicine for diabetes has been a part of traditional Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. The natural herbs that are used in the preparation focus on lowering blood sugar and reducing the damaging effects of the disease. Since Sugar Knocker is made from natural herbs extracts, you can take Sugar Knocker without changing the regular medication. With more than 30 years of experience, today we have 2.6 lakhs plus customers with 87.68% satisfaction ratio, supplying across 18 plus countries. Try Sugar Knocker today and bring results to your diabetes management efforts.
So how is it? Good, good. It has come out well, Muthu. Good promo. So this, what I will do.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll add you also into the group of Karnataka and UPOS also, and slowly I'll take it to the next level. Okay. So these are the things what I
Oh,
want to
okay,
cover
sir.
under management. So friends, you have any doubts, any clarification, you can please talk and then we can discuss about it. Hi Ravindranath avare.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಶಿಪ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಸರ್? ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ.
ಶಿಪ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು?
ಅಲ್ಲ
ತುಂಬಾ
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ನನ್ನ ಪಕ್ಕದವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಟೈ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಹಾ.
ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್
ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೊದಲನೇದು ವೆಂಡರ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಹಾ
ನೀವು ವೆಂಡರ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾನು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪಿಕಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ
ಹಾ
ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಜಾಗದಿಂದ ಪಿಕಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್
ಯಾ
ನಾನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಪೀನಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ,
ಹ್ಮ್
ನೀವು ವಿಲ್ಸನ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅಶೋಕ್ ಅವರು KR ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಪಿಕಪ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಶಿಪ್ ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗ ಇಂದ ಪಿಕಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ
ಸರಿ.
ಅಂಗಡಿ ನೀವು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಶಿಪ್ ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ,
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ತರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ
ಮಾಡಿ 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 ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕದವ್ರು ಸಖತ್ ಇದಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ,
ಹಾ
ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಐಡಿಯಾ.
ಮಾಡಿ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಡೂ. ನನ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು, ಜಿಜಿ
That's what
ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ
I
ಏನ್
want, sir.
ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು,
Yeah.
ನಾವು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೆಂಗು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ರೆಡಿ, ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ರೆಡಿ, ರೋಡ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ.
ಎಸ್
ಟೂ
ಸರ್,
ವೀಲರ್ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಗಾಡಿ ಬೈಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ರೆಡಿ, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ನಾವು ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೋನ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡಿ, ಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟನ್
ನನಗೆ
ಇಸ್
ಯಾವ
ರೆಡಿ.
ಬೇಕು ಅದ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆರಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್, ಸ್ಲೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ.
ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ
Okay,
ಮಾಡಿ.
sir.
ಅದು
Thank you,
ಫಿನ್ಸ್
thank you.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಪ್ಲಾನು?
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಹೇಳ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನು ಏನೇನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ.
ಯಾವುದು
ಪಿನ್ಸ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್? ಅದು
ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಲಾಂಚ್
ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ,
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಸರ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
ಅವತ್ತೇ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
All right, all right. Okay, fine. Okay. So, Berinadru, any other questions? Friends, we need to start a little drive. This is a festival time. I know most of you are a little occupied, traveling and other things. We have only 15 days. UPOS price 100% will shoot up. Gogera, it will not be Gogera, 100% sure. Even if it is, I gave you a math. It will be costlier by 1,20,000 approximately. Okay, so please push in. This month we have a there is one more thing what I want to tell. I think only 10 are there. It was 15. I think few are even reduced. Okay. So what I am trying to tell is, GG, if Global Garden need to go IPO, today it is possible. There is no need of waiting. All of you paying attention to me? Global Garner, if it is wanting to go to IPO ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ there is no need of anything. As of now, ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿನೋ 5 years ನಾವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಈ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಸಾಧನೆನೇ, it's more than enough. We can go IPO.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
The objective is not that. IPO ಹೋಗೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಲ್ಲ. When we go IPO, we should be the biggest IPO ever in the world or ever in India. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಸುಮ್ನೆ 10 ಜನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ವಿಕಾಸ್ he repeatedly tells me, John, I keep, whenever I meet him and I ask him, okay sir, when is that, what is the plan, are we in the right track ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, we are overachieving, but my intention is not just to go for an IPO. He keeps telling, if I need to get 100 crore, I tell 10,000 my UPOS owners to bring in 1 lakh, 100 crore is done. You are able to understand. So that is not my intention. We need to go IPO in a very big way. So for that big way means more UPOS, more shareholders, more trading need to happen. Adu avaru obbre madakagalla. It is all in our hands. Okay. So let's all collectively will work, and then we will take on. And I'm again telling, ask Lauren probably from next week, 8 o'clock change madak plan ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, if you're all okay. How many of you are okay to continue 11 o'clock or we'll move it to 8 p.m.? Yes, janage 11 o'clock. 8 p.m. Balwanji. Okay. Kishore ji. Kishore ji is,
Both ways is okay for me, sir. 11.
Kishore ji is busy chatting with his girlfriend, I think. Kishore.
So, John sir,
Ah.
8 o'clock ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋರು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋರ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ನನ್
ಮಾಡೋಣ,
ಪ್ರಕಾರ
definitely.
8 o'clock ಬೆಸ್ಟ್
Very
ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
good, very good. Yeah. ಅದೇ 8 o'clock ಅದನ್ನ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
8
ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
to 9, 9 to 10 ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ದಸರಾ and Vijayadashmi wishes. Let this festival bring in lot of prosperity, joy in the family. Now kuda namma whatever the dream, that ambition that we have, let there be a divine intervention and support that all of us achieve together. Okay, all the best. Let's join tomorrow.
Thank
Okay,
Thank you.
Same to you, sir. Same to you. Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.